Lovelies, welcome back to this mind-blowing video whereby we are going to learn on how to easily make money on TikTok as content creators. I can call this video a step-by-step guide for beginners and even for individuals who have not yet known that you can make money on TikTok as a beginner. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us. Please sit down and let's discuss about TikTok. Did you know that over 80% of TikTok users are just content creators with no real business or monetization strategy? Behind what they post, you can really know that there is no any monetization strategy. They create, they post, they go viral, but they earn nothing at all. No brand deals, no affiliate commissions, just views, just likes, and even follows. Yes, I'm right. But before I dive into the main body of this discussion, the tutorial, let me first appreciate everybody that has been on Immacule's show, especially our ladies and gentlemen, that whenever we put a post, they are real there to like, to comment. Engagement matters a lot. Now that we know TikTok is one of the most trending platform that is here, both short and long term videos, without forgetting the lives that people can sit on lives from morning up to another day. That's why in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step how can you turn your TikTok content into real income, even if you're just starting with your phone and passion. Never mind me, my voice is not all that good because I have cold, but I had to bring for you this video. Whether you're dancing, you're cooking, you're educating, or storytelling, you can turn your content into cash if you do this right. So stick with me until the end. Then I teach you, I show you how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is define your niche. Why? Because brands and businesses pay creators who speak to a specific audience. You cannot be vaguer, you cannot be everywhere. I always see someone who will bring this, bring the other. So you cannot define his niche or her niche. Are you into skincare? Are you into fashion? You're into tech, or you're into funny skits? Let me say you're a motivational speaker. Choose a niche that excites you and stay consistent with it. Choose a niche that you find your passion is all in it, to the extent that whenever you're even sick or you're waking up at any time, you can make something. This will help you build a community that trusts you, and later they will buy your recommendations. Step 2, use creator tools. What are these creator tools? Switch your account into a creator or business account on TikTok. It's very free. This unlocks analytics so you can track what content performs best, views, watch time, and even engagement. It also gives you access to features like the creator marketplace, where brands look for influencers to collaborate with. Yes, even small creators, they get paid. Then the third step is consistency and engagement. Post at least 3 to 5 times per week, if not per day. And make sure you are replying to comments and messages. The more you engage, the more TikTok pushes your content. And don't forget to use high searchable hashtags, trending audios, and hooks in your first 3 seconds to keep people watching. The longer people watch, the higher your chances of landing on the For You page. Now let's see now the step 4. Join TikTok Creator Fund. How do you join it? I know everybody would love to join TikTok Creator Fund. If you're eligible, apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. You need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So 10,000 followers and 100,000 views will make you qualify to apply for this TikTok Creator Fund. This pays per view like any other platform like YouTube and Facebook, and at the same time this pays you money, though it's not huge money, but it can be good for the start. You can earn $20 to $40 in 1 million views, but it will depend also on your niche. But the real money is in the next step. Stay with me. The money here is in affiliate marketing and brand deals on TikTok. This is where things get exciting. Start promoting products using affiliate links from platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, Jumia, and TikTok Shop. When someone buys from your link, you earn a commission. That's just simple. That's that. You can press links in your bio or talk about them in your videos. I always recommend people who talk about them in their videos, because even if you're the one, put yourself into another person's shoes. I'll not come and check on your bio and just click and buy. But if I find you talking about the product, it will get my attention and I will sit. Also, pitch yourself to brands. Reach out with a media kit or just a DM showing your engagement rate. You would be surprised, even with 5,000 followers, brands may be willing to pay you if your content is high quality. Then step 6, go live and sell or receive gifts. This is where people can sit on live the whole day until the next because of this. Going live on TikTok allows you to sell directly to your audience or receive gifts and coins, which you can convert to real cash. Talk to your audience, offer value, showcase products, and don't underestimate the power of a royal community that shows up every time you are live. Whether they are 2, 3, 4, 5, just give them something variable. You will develop a very good community. Don't keep your content daily only on TikTok. You can repurpose it for Instagram, for YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook. I always tell you guys, don't Xerox on TikTok alone. This multiplies your chances of going viral and earning on other platforms too, like some of us. Some creators earn more from affiliate marketing on Instagram than TikTok. Directly, the key is don't rely on one income stream. You can use one content and burst all social media platforms. Now that I've already told you how to do it, when to do it, because some of you really didn't know that there is content creator fund. It's there, but you have to have 100,000 views and you have to have 10,000 followers. To wrap this up, you don't need millions of followers to earn on TikTok. Never. That's why these people think they have numbers, but at the end of the day, they are begging for bread because they don't use it profitably. What you need is a smart strategy. You need to be consistent. You need to be posting and the courage to turn content into a business. So if you've just been posting for fun, it's time to start posting for income now. Think, apply the steps in this video that we have showed you and I've told you, and start building your TikTok hustle today. Do you love TikTok? If you love TikTok, do you love money? If you like money, do you want money? If you want money, please, I want you to drop a comment in this video and I will look for you. Drop a comment if you're ready to monetize your content and hit the like button. Share to your friends. See you in another video. Bye bye.